Whatever. No, no money. Here, have the keys just in case. If you want, bro, just let me take this one to my house and take that one. You're making me nervous. Oh shit. Alright, so the car is only on 10 PSI right now. It is on a tune that we're not comfortable with. It has a twin disc clutch, so the clutch is very like weird. Oh shit. I can only go somewhat hard on it over 4,000 PSI. 4,000 PSI, wow. Over 4,000 RPMs. Not used to this car, not used to the clutch, not used to this tranny, not used to the turbo car, but those are just excuses. But I'm just gonna somewhat give it my all. Does not feel good at all. Oh my god. Holy shit, bro. That is actually insane, bro. Holy cow. What the heck? That is actually insane, bro. I don't want to stop. Oh my god. This car is actually insane, bro. Ah, damn. The one thing I didn't want to do. Stop. I hate launching this car. Bro, this is like, I wish I could describe what this really feels like in like real life, but it's just retarded, bro. Like, it really is. Nah, man, that's just retarded, bro. It's like so much power, dude. Nah, bro. That's retarded, bro.